Now we are going to work on multiplying polynomials when we have a binomial times a binomial. That's like the binomial x plus 4 times the binomial x plus 2. We're going to use the distributive property. Now, you already know how to do this kind. A times x plus 2, you'll just distribute a over x plus 2. So a times x plus a times 2. You don't have to write the little arrows. I just do those to help you see what I'm multiplying. All right, then you get ax plus a times 2. Now, I could change it to 2a, but I'm going to leave it like this right now because I want to show you on the next problem how it's similar. All right, this time I took this little a and distributed over this, over the x plus 2. I'm going to do the same thing when I multiply a binomial times a binomial. I'm going to take this x minus 4 and distribute that over the x plus 2. So see, instead of a, I just have an x minus 4. Same thing, x plus 2, x plus 2. So let's try that problem. X minus 4 times x plus 2. First, I will distribute this whole x minus 4 over the x plus 2. So I'll multiply the x minus 4 times the x plus the x minus 4 times the 2. Now, you're used to seeing things like this. X times x minus 4 plus 2 times x minus 4. That's the same thing as what I have written here. I just put, instead of putting x minus 4 first, on this one I put x minus 4 second. I put the x first. So I've just changed the order, and you would know how to do that. You'd get x squared minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. Now, we're going to do it the same way when it's in this order. You may rewrite it this way and do this if you'd like to, but you can just do it the same way without an extra step here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this, you're going to multiply these two, x times x, and then these two, be careful because that's minus 4 times x. And then we'll multiply the rest of it, plus x times 2. And be careful because that's a subtraction, minus 4 times 2. All right, we have x squared. This is minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now we can just combine our like terms. Negative 4x plus 2x. Negative 4 plus 2 is a negative 2. So I'm going to write x squared minus 2x minus 8. And that is the answer to multiplying this binomial.